I'm doing a brief stop. As you can see, I'm not in Air Hitam. I've aborted the idea of going to Air Hitam for the Asam Laksa. Let's get Lebo Aceh. I parked my bike behind the yellow line. Hopefully the fucking assholes who are responsible for ticketing won't come after me. That's Pengkalan Weld. And look at the skies, man. Fuck. It's terrible. No whether I'll be able to leave Penang without getting wet. There's a Penang Road famous ice kacang. Not sure whether it's really that famous or not. Let's cross the road. A bit scary. It's actually very scary indeed. Thank you very much, Mr. Lorry. It's very nice of you. Oh, look at the skies. Oh, God. It's going to be a very huge thunderstorm. Well, I stopped because of quite an attractive looking gateway into these houses or Chinese villages. Houses on stilts. It's very old houses. Haven't changed for millions of years. There's this gongsi here. Oh, there's some rice porridge. I can eat here. Maybe. Oh God, sky is so dark. So what does it say? No idea. But there are a lot of cars here. Bears. So I see this, I want to go over there or go inside and take a look. Prayers and stuff. It's the month of the Walking Dead. I can either eat here or in Asam Laksa in the Lebo. Yesterday the No Chendol place there. I might want to try the Asam Laksa there. There's one shop that is very near Gunpla. What does it say? What does it say? Shit, don't stop. Welcome to Shan Dui Jetty. Okay, got the gist of it. So this is culture, and this is, I mean, there are people living in all these houses, of course, and it's above water. Unfortunately, there's a lot of rubbish floating around. And hopefully no dead bodies around. Butterworth is on the other side of on the main island, and that's an industrial area, so the smell can be quite toxic, not pleasant at all. Not very pleasant. So this is not a museum, this is where people live. I was fixing up the termites. Hiya. termites also eat the food here. Oh, it needs a lot of repair, you know. The wood is rotting. As I said earlier, the wood has been here for millions of years already. Oh, this is a much nicer looking wooden house. It's a new one and nicely decorated. Pulau is famous for its nutmegs, or still restoring the house. It'd be a shame if it was like commercialized. All the houses here are not for living but for business. It's terrible, actually. You know, there's a busy, if your house is on a very busy road and it has a lot of people going through it, oh, there's another one there. I'm not going to cover there. And that cloud is very scary indeed. It's cloudy there, but it's fucking hot here. I do think of lunch too. And that's Penang Bridge at the back there. Takes 20 minutes to ride on that damn thing, and I have to pay using a touch and go card. They don't accept cash anymore. Motherfuckers. Assholes. Why don't they accept cash? Assholes. And around here would be Bayan Lepas. Hey, no. Fuck, I forgot what's the name of that place. Butterworth? No idea. There's a jetty there. It's coming to Pinang Island from Butterworth. And there's a futsal place here.
对啊，它只加考虑可以。那时候器材原是那个就是那个渡轮啊，早期大桥没有建好，就是用这个渡轮过海啊。前面对岸就是那个北海，一个地方叫北海，它属于槟城州的，所以这样子到尽头是在这边哦，所以这边它就不建了，没有建了。
Okay, it's getting a bit dark now. Clouds are coming. Oh my god. The sun has been blocked by the big cloud.
考海的，
槟城也叫乔治城了。
对啊，这个城市叫乔治城啊，乔治是比较多大，它的首府。
So there's one of the clan, Jetty clan, whatever. There are more elsewhere, but because of the shiny neon sign, I was attracted to it like a moth to a flame. So is this one straight jetty? Or as I was saying, the roads in neighborhoods, if it's a high traffic area, means there are a lot of cars going through it. The houses are not that nice to live in because it's just like too many cars going through it, and therefore the air quality is not good. So businesses want to buy those houses, give them a good offer they can't refuse, and they get a property that has high visibility, because for business they want people to look at your sign. The more people look at your shops, the more that business is imprinted in their minds. So they will go to the shop if they need something from them. So I'm scared that the businesses will just like buy something here. Actually now it's good because they are like getting some money by selling water or ice cream or whatnot. stuff. Ah, there's a temple here. Dushanli Jetty. Eat rice here. And the wind is picking up. And it's hard to cross the road. And this is a tourist bus. And it's hard for me to cross the road. Oh no. This is the main road. If I were to go to the mainland of Malaysia, I would go through here. So, wow, it's going to be like jam. Hey, there's some free food. It's their association. Can I get some? Hungry. Oh, today's date is 20th of August 2016. There's another chendol stall there. Mobile stall. Ah, there's so many. So how do I get to that Asam Laksa's restaurant? Oh god, it's getting windier and windier. I think I'll just go there and see whether I can find that Komta place or not. It's not that hard to get lost in.